Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to change aspect ratio on this device. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and make sure that you're on the photo mode. Then we can tap on the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and let's take a look at the very first option bar, which is connected to the aspect ratio. Right now we've got a 3:4 option applied, and you can know it because this option is highlighted, but you can also choose another 3, so you can set 1:1 option, 9:16 or full. So let me pick, for example, 1:1, but firstly let's take a look at the camera shape. As you can see, it is, let's say, rectangular and it is not elongated to the full screen. So after changing the ratio, for example, to 1:1, you can clearly see that it has been shortened and now it looks like a square. After changing it to 9:16, you can see that the camera area is much bigger, and after choosing full, then you can see that it is elongated to the full screen. So of course it is up to you which option you'd like to set, and all you have to do is, just tap on the option, and from now on it is set, so your device will take photos in chosen aspect ratio. So actually that's all. This is how to change aspect ratio in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.